Hello everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to teach you practical step on how you can change your voice using InShot. So in this video, I'll be mentoring you on how you can use your InShot app to change your voice. Check this video.
Alone, leave me alone.
Yes, something like this. So I'm going to teach you how you can do it. But before I proceed, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and share to your friends, or you can even share it to your WhatsApp status. Let's go. So what you have to do now is for you to go to Play Store and download InShot. But I have the application already on my phone. So this is the InShot app here. I'm gonna click on it. Then click on video. Then click on this plus icon. Then you're going to choose the video you want to change the voice. So as for me, I will be choosing this video and click on this mark sign here. Click on it. So what you have to do next is for you to remove the InShot watermarks here. Remove the watermarks and click on free remove. So as you can see this place, the InShot watermarks have been removed already. So what you have to do now is for you to shift to swipe to the right hand side until you see voice effect. So this is the voice effect here. So you click on it. Then these are the different type of sound you can use. You can use this, you can use this, you can use this, you can use this robot sound. There are different type of sound here. So let me have you see? And you can easily change your voice. And there's echo sound, like this is the call, and this is the echo, vibration, different type. So let me use this one. As you can see, that different. This is the sound wave sound. The sound wave. So you can use that different type of sound. So as for me, I'm gonna use this one, this echo sound. So it's simple. So after that, you have to export. You have to export to your gallery. After you export, it's going to save automatically to your gallery. So I make some editing. I blur the background, so that's why I pause this screen recording. So I'll just click on export and click on export. So it's going to save to your phone gallery. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, drop a comment. So let's check our gallery. So this is the video here. So that is the video.